Welcome again to Jubilee with a new watch video. What I'm doing here. More than motorcycles, I am now having watch videos. Okay, now let's move to the content of this video. It will be short, quick, and a lovely review about my new Jubilee straps, which I showed you in earlier video. So the 3 generation 1 legacy wala video at Karan Watch Company. So I got them installed, you can see, and this is the lovely watch case which can contain 5 watches at a time. I'll add a description. I found this on Amazon and I just wanted a simple rugged design, not a top showcase design. I believe I need to carry it, so that I had to find a good hard one, and this is the 5 watch case box, and the Maurya and the HMT braille I have kept at my home only, Kolhapur. I handed over it to my father. I asked him to keep it safely, of course with the in a box, HMT boxes, and with the silica beads, gel, whatever you say. So interestingly, this is Kohinoor maroon quartz and Kohinoor pink, which I showed you, and this is the black one. I'll show you the close up now. And I got a maroon strap as well. I'll show you the photos of the installation if I have with the Kohinoor maroon watch. So I got this lovely straps. I'll show you. So this is the amazing box which I got from Amazon, somewhere around 800-900 rupees something. It's very soft, you can see. Just a simple design gets your work done, not fancy, nothing. A hard case, top and bottom, and some silica gel I put inside to prevent the moisture and the damage from moisture to the dials. So this is the amazing Jubilee straps which I got recently. 3 of them I purchased, the priced somewhere around 375 or 400 rupees or 350 rupees, I don't know. These are provided to me by Umair. Again here, thanks to Crown and Cords, I asked him where could I get the straps. He shared me the Umair's number and I contacted him. Lovely guy, simple, humble guy, to the point. He has a good catalog also. He just deals in straps, nothing other. He has n number of variety for n number of brands, watch brands out there. So this is very lovely, very lovely. Let me show you. As from one hand I cannot remove it, but the fitting is very good and quality is superb quality. I'll show you the maroon. So this is the maroon dial. Let me clean it. Yeah, amazing, what a lovely shade. So yeah, this is the strap with HMT logo. Let me just remove this. Looks very amazing. Classy. Let me remove this one as well. So you can see the watch maroon dial with Jubilee strap provided by Umair, and there are one more dealer I have, again shared by Crown and Cords. So I'll add their number as well. It's your choice to go with anyone you want, but I just needed the straps. I got them and happy to have it to my HMT Kohinoors lineup. The watch looks very amazing. I'll line up it here for your reference. See, wonderful. Wonderful. This is the lineup, Kohinoor, and you can see the fitting as well, the quality. Super, super. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was a short video about the Jubilee strap. By the way, this is I think 18 mm. Yeah, and goes very well with your HMT Kohinoor quads or any other, and looks superb. Now this watch looks simple yet a premium, but I'm not into so much fancy watches, just a simple design. I'm a guy who loves simple designs. And again, a wonderful maroon strap I got. I forgot to show you that. So I have not installed it. Not a big fan for the leather straps, but this is how it will look, and it looks amazing. I have some photos as well. I'll share it with you guys over the screen. So yeah, and this is the box. Simple, gets your work done. Nothing fancy or overpriced anything. Just thought to share this information with you guys. So also now that I have 3 slots empty, I am waiting for an perfect automatic watch. Let's see which watch will take this place now. As the HMT Maurya and Braille, I gave it to my father to keep it safely. I don't want to use it as they are in NOS condition, and I respect that watches, or I am of that thought that watches should be used if you have bought it, but because you cannot keep them, what's the use of purchasing it then? So but yeah, see, let's see how it go. But not soon I'm using them. I'll go back to Kolhapur again and then I'll see. But for now, this is HMT Kohinoor Jubilee strap for you guys. Bye bye.